morning. It's Saturday today. So it's the day that I am going to attend a Christmas party here in Texas. Ang lamig talaga guys, kahit nakauna yung heater namin, sobrang lamig. Nahanap ko na rin yung key ng bahay. Nawala to sa akin for a month, more than a month actually. And then, hindi rin kami nag-stop by somewhere to make duplication. So, alam niyo ba kung saan ko ito nalagay? Dito lang pala. Sinuot ko ito. Sabi ko, ba't tutunog? So, ayan. Mayroon tayong key kasi yung asawa ko, ihahatid lang ako mamaya guys. And hindi siya stay doon. But, yeah, I'll be making dessert. Buko salad. Fruit salad. O, di ba combination na yan? And everything. You want coffee, babe? Is watching these exercises here. 9:27 in the morning. Wait lang guys ha. Okay. So, itong gagamitin ko pala to guys. Actually, na-wash ko na to kahapon but I'm gonna wash this again to make sure. Ito yung cups na gagamitin natin. I think dadalhin ko na rin yung iba. Here, I have 40 cups. Pang ano lang, one use. Then, tapon mo na after. Pero pag nasa Pilipinas ako, pag mama ko, ay, hugasan natin yan para magamit ulit. But actually, this one is, ano lang to. Pang one-time use lang talaga to guys. So, I prepared everything. Piniprepare ko na everything last night. Andito na lahat yung gagamitin ko. So, what I'm gonna do is, lulutuin natin tong sago. Instruction pala eh. I'm gonna use the big one. Maganda to. Ito yung binigay ng asawa ko last December. December ba? Tama? Yeah. Ito, pangluto. Ito yung na hindi talaga matapot yung lulutuin mo ba. Binilhan niya ako dito na ganito. I love white or off-white color. So, ito. And then, meron siyang detachable na. Tcharan! Yung pangalan nito pala guys is Coyote 24. Ayan lang yung nakalagay sa likod. But, yung instruction niya talaga is 2 cups of boil lang nila is yung mga edited na. But may hindi ako makapag-focus mag-vlog. So, pinag-mix ko na silang lahat. No, actually na. Yung gelatin natin nasa refrigerator pa. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung how it looks like. Yung ating butong, guys. So, ibang-iba siya sa kakakuskus lang. This one kasi parang may mga nilalagay na sila nitong mga something para hindi ma-spoil yung young coconut. So, i-ano ko siya, i-drain ko siya, guys. Para matatanggal yung mga something. Merong mga something. Cleaning all the glasses, kaya I'm gonna bring this one today. And also this disposable spoons. Yan. And then this one as well. Wala akong mahanap na ibang pang scoop ng dessert natin. Ito yung nakita namin sa Target. Pinili namin guys. Walang iba. But I'm bringing it with me kasi hindi ko alam kung meron sila Carol na ganito or baka pag meron siya gagamitin din for something. So sabi ko magdadala ako ng sarili ko para hindi na mahirapan yung kakain ng dessert guys. So everything is here. Almost done. Pinapaano ko lang yung ating, tingnan nyo. Oh, yung mga gel-o natin andyan. Gawa ko na yung ating salad. Actually hindi na ako nagbablog kanina kasi guys kung magbablog pa ako wala na tayong time. And it's already 1:05. Konting time na lang. Dapat alis kami dito ng mga 4. So, mimix ko lang siya, guys. Para hindi siya nag-square. Yan yun na. Ang pakulay lang naman to. You wanna try? Okay, pagmata. It's good. Yan yung ating buko fruit salad. Hindi nyo na makita si Buko. Nakatago na si Buko, guys. Yeah, she's alive. Yeah.
Well, I mean, we hadn't seen her all day.
They're like, yeah, I'm here.
Is Nicole still alive?
I don't know. I wake them up. They were like, yes, finally, no school. Mozzarella cheese. Wala na tayong step by step, guys. If you wanna ask the ingredients that I'm putting here, just let me know in the comment section. Kasi nahihirapan ako mag one by one. Alam nyo na. Hindi man ako the same as other people, vlogger na Yung asawa ko, hindi naman kakain ito. Kasi hindi yan mahilig sa, guys, sa sweet. I'm gonna add more cheese on top. This one. I'm going to use. And then that's it. So, hindi ko siya ubusin kasi meron pa akong planong gagawa ng dessert for Christmas here. For us naman.
Don't.
Why are you like so ready? Where are you going?
Nothing, I just want to look at
Binili namin to sa ano guys, thrift store. Thrift store, di ba te? Yeah, sa thrift store namin to binili. Including this one, Levi's.
Oh, yeah.
Yung outfit ko. So, di ba sinabi ko kahapon na yung susutin ko yung blue. Ay, yung blue naman. Yung red na pajamas. Guys, I changed my mind. Ito na lang yung susutin ko. Itong blue na pajamas na to, guys. I don't know. I don't feel like wearing that one. Pero nalabhan ko na. Dapat pala, hindi ko nilabhan para ma-return ko yun. But, wala tayong magagawa. But, yeah, I'm wearing this one. This will be a pajama party with Filipino friends here in Texas, guys. So, I'm so excited. Lagi ko na lang sinasabi, I'm so excited. Kasi nga, first time to join them. Gugulatin natin sila. Kasi meron ako pa surprise for the gift exchange. Kasi ipaprank ko silang lahat sa ating gift exchange. Hopefully, hindi sila magagalit. No? Hopefully, hindi sila magagalit. Ito na yan. And then, yeah, they're going. Mag-shopping, lagi mo.
Where are they going?
They're going. You can go to Hobby Lobby. Come out. Oh my gosh, hopefully, masarap pa rin to, guys. I'm a little bit, hesitant. Kasi, nung wala pa yung gelatin, good. Like, super tastes so good. Pero nung nilagyan ko ng gelatin, hindi ko alam. Hopefully. Ay, mag-goods ka pa naman, diba? So, wala na akong ibang dada. Anyway, sige na. Guys, bring na. If you want, you can bring the food. Sige na, I'm carrying a lot. Hi, Robin!
I don't like you, Robin.
Ay, games or I'm here. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. This is really fun. Ang dami namin dito. So, mag-gift, exchange gift na kami. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda nga. Saan ka makabili ng ganito? Saan ka makabili? Ganda, oh.
11 na lang tayo, di ba? 11 na lang? 11 na lang man daw to? 11 na 12 pa rin yung sanda. Marat, ang dami. Ilan tayo, ilan? 11! Kailangan magdumog. May ka na lang. Si Yoni ang naghago, ani grab. Maoy! Wow! Ayun! Pinakamalagi. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We're gonna play games. We are home. Somebody's looking at my stuffs here. Look at this girl. O, diba? Meron akong nadala today, guys. From the party. Tingnan nyo to, oh. Oh. Meron kaming pa-chicken. Merong dessert. Ito yung mga laman ng aking gift today na ginawa namin kakatawanan. What is that? Suman. Oo.
Yes, Lee. Awa. You want? Lagi ito ang kiss.
Suman mana. You miss it?
Yes,
Oy.
been a long time. Mona, kung game mo ba? I didn't know the name.
Suman. She wants suman day, guys. I don't know who brought that one in the party today. Big one.
How do
Oh,
you make one?
you have to buy the sticky rice. And then I have to buy this also, banana leaves. Good. You like it? Ay, gusto mo pala yan. Sana sinabi mo kanina. I could have bring more.
I didn't know the name.
You didn't
didn't
know.
know you have
That's ano nga pangalan yan? Suman. Sumay. Sumay. Okay, may natira pa sa aking pa-dessert today, guys. Pero, sobra sa kalahati.
Ako ba kung post lang? Diyan ako
Ha?
ihatag ibalik itong isa.
Yeah. Okay, lagay natin siya dito para makain natin ito, guys. Ito lang yan. Ang dami ko pong dala na gift from today. Yung laro namin today, guys, is natawag ito? Saya ng pa-exchange gift namin. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, guys, yun yung trending sa TikTok. So, I have here, diba? Coconut body wash. Amoy coffee, kasi coffee yung nakalagay. May pa-socks. Picture ko to. Tapos, post ko to. Diba? This is so... napay-sunod. Labay lang pa.
That one else, guys. Isn't it cute?
Yeah. One use only. Hello, this is so nice. Tingnan nyo too. Very cute. Ay, wow! Face mask. Face, ha?
There's seafood.
Ay, humutri. Ay, this smells so good. Tama, ito ba? Ay, smells good. Okay. And then, ito pa, medyas. And then, ano to? Towel. Ito yung portable na towel na lalagyan mo lang tubig at mag-expand siya. I think so. Yeah. This one for travel. And then,
There is my size.
ha?
Our size is mine, actually.
And then, sabon. Ito yung sa akin. And then, sabon. And this one is so cute. Sobrang cute nito. Ano lang siya ba? Like bag charm. Accessories. So, pwede siya ilagay sa bag. Yeah. This one is so nice. Oh, cute. And then, papaligo. And, what else? Meron tayong hand soap. Liquid soap.
I think mga yes.
Pangpaligo ulit.
I think mga yes.
Coffee. Ay, cute. And then, body fantasies. And then, marami pa to. Saan ba yung iba? And chocolate. And then, ito yung napanalunan ko kanina, guys, na portable sealing machine. Yan. Then, meron ako dito uli. And then, meron pa ako dito, ano to? Hand soap. And then, crystal bath. And then, body, ano ba to? Mist. Diba, ang dami? Oh. At saka meron pa ako medyas. Oh.
Yes, this is cute. I'm wearing this.
Diba? Ito yung pag-game. So cute. So fun. Tingnan nyo yan. Very, very nice. I'm gonna take picture. Where's my phone? Ito siguro. Ang bango. Ano ba?
No, mine is
Mark. Uy, naantok na ako, guys.
so.
Sleepy already. Sobrang saya today. Hindi ako nakapag-film when I enter the house. And then, when we eat, kasi sa dami namin doon, guys, wala na akong, wala space masyado. Then, busy na rin sa kakachika and everything. So, hindi ako nakapag-film during we eat na food. And yun. Yung na-film ko na yung time na nagpa-play kami and everything. So that's it. But yeah, I'm having fun today. I'm having fun. Ito yung mga nakuha ko today. Nakita ko sa inyo guys. Hindi ko na maalam sasabihin ko, but yeah, basta masaya ako today for this Filipino party. Very nice and very cute. Pangpaligo talaga most of these stuffs kasi puro sabon. sabon. Yan, so. May sabon. Hindi nakapalit yung sabon.
Someone needs it. Yeah, maybe.
Ha. Ito cute. Lalagay ko yung ano. This one is cute. I'm gonna put it here. Pwede siya lagyan ng mga ano coins. Lagay natin siya sa bag.
Ano ka cute?
Huy, we're going to church tomorrow, so you have to sleep na.
Ma,
We're going to,
hindi ma-delay dahil.
guys, we're going to church tomorrow ba yan?
Tatlo.
Thank you so much for watching. Ay! Tayo na. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Matutulog na ako. I'm really sleepy. Okay. Natulog na.